Alright guys, so I'm back, and as I said before, what I was doing is I completed the 4 here, the 6, the 4, and the 6. And then what I like to do is turn the cube like this, so then I'm going to be moving this and this, and that allows me to stay more focused on what I'm doing and reduce the chances of me messing up those first bits that are completed correctly. So then my next bit is going to be to complete, as I said before, make sure that I finish the 2/3 of the entire puzzle, and then from there hopefully I can finish the whole cube. And right now where we are is at the point where I only have these two in order to complete this 2/3. Anyway, I'll show you on this in the next video.
Likey.